Hey guys, so check this out. If you own fishing reels, this is a must-have. It's a maintenance toolkit. I don't know why I waited this long to get one, but if you look on Amazon, I'll put a link. It's Quan Yu. These are little things that I wish US companies like Penn and other companies that makes reel sell these kits. I mean, why aren't they, right? They already have the tools to assemble these together. They have the tools to fix it. Just package them up and sell it. Every real fisherman would want this. Well, at least this is something I saw and I definitely wanted it. It's pretty cool. It's not that expensive. Get it on sale when it's like 20 something dollars on Amazon. But this is amazing because it comes with every little tools that you need to take apart, at least for bait caster or casting reels. All the size you need. You don't need to find one of these to take this apart. This doesn't fit. This doesn't fit. Well, this one does. Or this one. Actually, this one fits right here. So, any of these tools, you're going to have a toolkit to take it apart. Right? Not this one. This one broke. So I had to put in a spare one until I get my nut replaced. Right? Something like this too. It's pretty big nut, and one of these won't fit, but the large size will fit once I take the screw off. And you come across these screws where these little Allen bolt, or oops, sorry, what do you call this? Like an Allen nut or something like that. And guess what? They have something for that. It comes with the set, which is pretty cool, right? Let me just take this apart. No idea how to take that. Take it apart just like that. Oh, sorry. Take a while. Oh, you're going to, you have to slide it. You have to slide this like that. Okay. Again, no edit on my videos. I just want to share with you guys, just because I enjoy it. So you got every piece you need to use to take these guys apart. So let me see. I could find one of these. Screw right here to fit it. And guess what? It fits. Isn't that just awesome? You don't have to go to a toolbox. You could just like boom. I don't have a screw. The screwdriver is not going to work for this. The screwdriver will work for this. And for that one, I don't have to look for something really small because I have one in every different size, which is just awesome. And also, these are all magnetic, so look at that. It just falls in there. It's just very cool, right? Wow. I'm surprised on Amazon I'm doing search. Maybe there is a Penn or Avid or toolkit that they sell. Even Daiwa, Shimano. I wonder why they don't sell it. This is definitely something that they could brand. I mean, they have all the toolkits. They just have to mass produce it. They could easily do this in Made in USA and sell these. But yeah, it comes with every little. I mean, I bet you could use these for not just fishing reel, but other tools too. Yeah, very nice. Look at that. Every toolkit you need. Every nut you need. And then I believe this is to punch out your ball bearing as well. So you got tools for that. You got little duster as well to dust things off, right, when you're cleaning. So I don't intend to take these apart. I'll probably take, like, these are, again, another tool to pull apart. I can't describe everything. You could probably look for video on this. I have no idea what this is. Let me see. What is this? Oh, more toolkit, which is, wow, I guess one of these are ones you could carry with you if you don't want to carry the whole set, but very cool. Huh. Extra. I guess what happened is this is what they sold, and then they upgraded by adding these to it, which is a really good deal. And again, this one, if you don't want to carry the whole thing, I guess this is something that you could carry separately. Right here. This is for ball bearing too. But there's everything you need pretty much here. I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you guys spend $20, $30 on one of these? Definitely could be a hobby. I have a couple. I have one broken reel, and I plan to take it apart just to check it out, and maybe if I could fix it, I'll try to fix it. But yeah, it's a must-have tool. Look at this. You get tweezers too. So yeah, beyond just using for fishing reels, I think this could definitely, all the tools that you need for taking a computer, like a laptop apart, other tools, spinning reel, many other, I think it has a multi-use. This is sold specifically for fishing reels, but this is a pretty good set. And I think if you are owner of fishing reels, you should definitely get one of these. I highly recommend it. Here's another claw. Oh, look at that. It's extra. What is this for? Extra parts? Let me know what you guys, if you guys know what this is. I have no idea what this is. I kind of have an idea what this is. Like I said, I think this is for ball bearing removal, or this one, or both. This is for latches, I think, on the reel. Certain latches you have to hook or push out or push in. But I have no idea what this is. What is this? This looks just, I guess this is just a cloth that you would use to clean your reel. Nothing special, but why not? But yeah, check it out. I'll leave a link, like I said. I do highly recommend it. Pretty good deal. All the tools you need. I like it. Till next time, guys, make sure to like this video, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.